Evening, 7:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. I want to do a quick update on XRP as it's been very volatile and could be putting in a double top formation here. Join me at 8 o'clock, 13 minutes from now on Twitch. The link's going to be in the video description below. And we'll be going over market setup. I'm going back to my old format, which I really like to do. And we're going to be talking market form, the setup of the entire market. We're going to go from coin to coin to coin, get a consensus, and figure out what direction it looks like it's going to go and make a decision based on that. So if you want to join me there, it'll be a lot of fun. So anyhow, we got to do this real quick, 2 minutes, 3 minutes or less. So XRP's come up. It's had no volume since it pushed back through here. It looks like we're in a little bit of a rising channel. And I mean, one could say it's finally starting to break down. I mean, it's literally, I don't want to say it's breaking down because it's done this a couple times and then just pulled back through. But right now it's on the bottom side. And if it's on the bottom side of that uptrend, that's where you can start to look for XRP to start tanking a little bit. We have come through this cup and handle here. So eventually XRP is going to have to come retrace. And I wouldn't want to be holding that if you're in a long hold position, if this does come back and retrace on you, because if it falls through some of these key levels, especially back into that ascending triangle, it's going to be a hefty fall. Now, a lot of it does depend on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin right now is at 21,360. It too seems like it's starting to run out of steam here, and it's been very, very meticulously trying to come up, but it's getting caught here, you know, in the last 60 minutes or so. We haven't had a big volume push, and this is another 20 minutes through here. Bitcoin really was looking for a strong finisher to end the day, and it's kind of getting caught up here. And if it does end up falling down, and it's at a very key level because the 3 minute is trying to hold. The 1 minute did break, but now it's pulling back through. So it looks like we're running out of steam here, and if you get caught here on the top, it could fall down pretty quickly. So if you're not in a position, I wouldn't advise you to go long or short right now. I would just tell you to sit back, relax. And Bitcoin looks like it's going to have to either way come back and try to prove whether or not this uptrend can even last. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. There's just not a lot of volume there. DGB, it looks like it could be on a head and shoulders formation. A lot of these look like they broke their short-term uptrends, and that's why I'm saying, like, it's starting to look a little more bearish here. But until it breaks this overall formation, I mean, that's what it did so far. It was on an uptrend, a pretty nice one. And then it took itself out. Now it looks like it's trying to backtest it here. It really does. Like, a lot of these just look like they're backtesting. They're falling places. Like, that's... If this is the case, we could have a market-wide dump coming up here. Because a lot of them are starting to fall out. And it looks like they just want to retest here. Like with Bitcoin, I still think what I'm looking for Bitcoin, once it breaks this uptrend, because it already broke the short-term uptrend. This was the short-term, it broke it. Now it's kind of trading between two tight zones. So, what I'm looking for, though, for Bitcoin is for it to come back and retest this area. It's running out of steam. It needs a little more support. And it would make all the sense in the world for it to come down here. But, you know, it's not guaranteed. It could always pop off to the next level. So, we're going to be watching this. And if you want to join me on Twitch to catch more, I'll be live in about 9 minutes. Stay blessed, everybody.